In learning aim B, planning, it's important to first consider the purpose of the installation or maintenance. This can vary from increased speed, boosting capacity, or ensuring compatibility with other systems, such as meeting software or network requirements. For example, a business may need a faster computer system to handle more data, or a user may require additional storage for software updates. Next, extract the user requirements by carefully reading any provided case studies. These requirements might specify a need for faster performance, greater storage capacity, or better system compatibility to meet daily tasks. Once the requirements are clear, think about the alternative ideas for improving system performance. For instance, you could upgrade the system by adding more memory or installing a faster processor, which could boost overall performance. When planning an installation or maintenance, identify the hardware needed. Internal components include the CPU, GPU, RAM, sound or network cards, and storage devices such as solid-state drives, SSD, or magnetic drives. For external components, hardware like a monitor, printer, or external storage device may be necessary. To carry out the installation, you'll need the right tools, such as anti-static wrist straps, computer toolkits, and assembly tweezers, which are crucial for safely handling electronic components. The installation also requires software resources. These include drivers such as printer drivers and setup configurations for connecting new devices. It's essential to have the correct software installed to ensure smooth hardware integration. A typical installation and maintenance activity list might include upgrading a sound card, installing RAM, or performing routine tasks like cleaning the keyboard and mouse. Before beginning, it's important to account for potential constraints related to costs and technical limitations. These could include the component cost, hardware availability, and whether the components are compatible with the system. After installation, you should create a test plan to check the system's functionality and performance, ensuring that it meets the user's needs and any specified requirements. In learning aim C, install, maintain and test hardware, preparation is key. This includes making sure that you follow health and safety guidelines, using tools like anti-static equipment, and backing up any important data. You'll also need to obtain resources such as the necessary tools, hardware components, and the appropriate software before you begin any work. To troubleshoot any issues during or after installation, you can use fault-finding tools and techniques. Diagnostic software can help identify loose connections, power issues, or hardware that fails to pass the power on self-test, post. By following a structured test plan, you can systematically respond to issues such as error messages or inconsistent data. Common installation and maintenance activities include repairing internal hardware, upgrading parts like the RAM, or installing external devices like a printer. You'll need to reassemble the system, download any hardware drivers, and perform safety checks. It's also important to clean components and dispose of packaging correctly to maintain a safe and organized work environment. Finally, after installation or maintenance, it's crucial to test the system using the test plan you developed earlier. This ensures that the system is working correctly and that all the hardware and software are functioning as intended. By following health and safety guidelines throughout the installation and testing process, you can ensure a successful outcome.